Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to use any image on a text to change the text color. Okay, so we're gonna be using Photopea as an editing application, and equally we're gonna be using snipping tool and Google to get our images, and equally the Hover Zoom Plus, a Google Chrome extension. Okay, so right now let's go for the photopea.com. okay, so what we can do right now, create a dimension. You can go for file and new, or you can go for new project here. So we can make use of any dimension for this tutorial. So I can go for this 1280 720. I'll go for that, create. So this is what we have. So let's go and type by clicking on the T, or if you right click on that T, you will see the type tool. Then click on the background. Let's go type piece. Let's activate the move tool to move our text or any image or any item to anywhere. So I will go ahead and activate that move tool and make sure that auto select is activated, is checked. Let me uncheck the transform controls for now. I will double click on that piece and then increase the size. Up down, I can just increase the size. So this is what we have, piece. Okay, I can double click again to change the font style here from this drop down. Do I have any favorite? So if you want to know how to import your favorite font into Photopea, I have a video on that. You can go ahead and watch it after. You will see the link up here right now. So let me change the font to this, and this is what we have. Okay, we are going to use our snipping tool to get the images, okay, we need for this video. So I will go and open my snipping tool. So as we wait for that snipping tool to open, we can go for animal. So this is google.com. I just typed animals images. That will give me this. Previously it will give you the all. Then you have to go for images, and here is what we have. Okay, so right now my snipping tool is ready. I will go for the delay. We give it 5 seconds and then go for new. Then I will place my mouse on any animal and wait for the snipping tool to be ready. So it's ready. I will go and get this particular part. Okay, I have a video on snipping tool as well. If you want to know how to make use of it, you can check my other videos on my channel. So here I will go for edit and copy. Then I will go back to the editing application and paste that. So this is what we have. So what you have to do here now is to make sure that you hold down the shift key on your keyboard so that you don't distort the image, and take it from this angle and make sure that it covers the text. So here is what we have. So once that is done, release your finger and confirm. Untick the transform controls. Then make sure that the image and the text are one after the other. They should be close to each other. Then right click on that image Remember, if you want to change the name, you can double click and give it a name. Okay, then right click on the image and go for clipping mask. This is what we have. You can adjust this by moving. Before you move, you have to make sure that the auto select is selected. Then you can move the image and to your desired so I think we can go for something like this, or I can go for transform controls and make sure that I increase this by holding the shift key. I will take this again to the okay and go for confirm. I will have to go back and untick the transform controls, and the move tool is auto selected, and when you click on any layer, you will see that that layer is selected, and if you start moving that, you can see this is okay. So once that is done, what you have to do is to right click on that layer, the image layer, and go for merge down. But before you merge down, you have to make sure that they are very close, one after the other. Okay, so now we can move this to anywhere with the help of the move tool. Okay, so let's go for another image. I will go ahead and close this part and go for type tool. Right click, type tool, and then let's go for sources. Okay, confirm. I will activate the move tool to move it, and then I can double click on it, then go for size and reduce that. But remember, before you go for this, you have to make sure that, most importantly, you have to make sure that the font is selected, that you have chosen your favorite font. By double clicking on the image, you will go for the font you like. After that, let's confirm. Then you have to go for the image. So let's go for something like I think we're gonna use 3 animals here. Let's go for this. Okay, then I will have to go for my snipping tool again. I will already at 5 seconds. I will go for new, click on new, and place my mouse on that. You see how big the image is. This is the help of we can have this image in a bigger form with the help of the Hover Zoom Plus, a Chrome extension. I have a video on how to install that extension. You can see the link up here right now. I will go ahead and select this, then go for edit and copy, and go back to Photopea. I will go for edit and paste. So this is what we have. Okay, we can move it because the move tool is activated and auto select. So right now I can go ahead and increase the size of this image by activating the transform controls and holding down the shift key on my keyboard to avoid the image being distorted. I will go ahead and take it from this angle and this angle as well. So right now we'll go for confirm, and then you remember, piece can't be after the image. Only the text you want to change the color should be after the image. So right now I will have to right click on that image, then go for clipping mask. You can see what we have. Okay, I can try and move it a bit to get a perfect color that I want. So I can go for something like this. The you can see that I am moving the image, okay, to get the right color. So after that, this is okay. I will go and untick the transform controls, okay. And now what I will do is to right click on that layer and go for merge down, so that we can have only that success and we can move it anywhere. So we can increase the size by using the transform controls to make it bigger, so you can see, okay. Another one, blessings, okay. And here what we can do, let me activate the move tool to move it. Then I will go for any image at all, mixed background colors. For example, we are still on images, as you can see. So if I want to use this example, what I can do is to activate to open my snipping tool, go for new, and place my mouse on that image and wait for the snipping tool to open. So it's on. I will have to get this image, then edit and copy, and go back to Photopea, edit and paste. Then I will make sure that it covers the text. Take it from this angle, don't take it from the middle, from this angle as well. So right now I will go and confirm and untick the transform controls. Then I will right click and go for clipping mask. So this is what we have, okay. I can move it and get a desired so it depends. So we can go for this. I will go for layer and merge down, and this is what we have. So if we change the background color of this, I can go for right click on the background and go for blending options, and again let's go for color overlay. We can go for that black. So have a look at what we have. If I open all of them, you can see how they look like. So check my channel out. I have a lot of videos. Enjoy the videos. Thanks and God bless you.